Hey everybody, this is Mesha with Coco Twins coming to you to show you how to use the template that I have set up for the mask that I sell for Sublimation. And I'm also going to show you how to create text and then have a pattern within that text using Canva. So the image you see now with the man in gold, that's actually an image that I created. So if you don't have access to gold vinyl, the image will give the look of gold vinyl. And the background is the actual mask. And the size of the border that I have the actual mask in is what you want to create your design within. You want to create your design within that space. Okay, so you want to use the center and middle command and all the commands to get it centered. But when you download it, you're going to unlock and delete the background before you download it, so that way it won't print out when you do your sublimation. So let me show you. So I've already added this, and this will be a template that you will be able to download with the purchase of your mask. You'll be able to create your own designs. You won't get this image that I'm showing here. I'm just using this as an example, but you will get the background, and you can use this tutorial to create your own gold metallic or any type of metallic text. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So this is one of the new images from June, and you know Father's Day is this month. So I'm using this guy, the gold outline, and then I want to write out the word king in the gold like I have here. So this isn't something that's found in Canva. This is something that I built in Canva, and I'm going to show you guys how to build it too. So I'm going to add a new page. The size of this template is 4.75 by 7. You don't want to change the size of that. That's the size of the mask. So that way, if you download this and you have another program you use to line up your templates or line up your designs on one large sheet before you print it, you'll be able to do that using the template that you have here. So I'm going to go and look for elements, and I'm going to look for frames. When you scroll down, you will see letters and numbers. So all I did was select K, I, N, G, and then I spaced them out however I want it to look. We got to make sure we spell it correctly. Okay, we got to reduce the size down some, but we want to make sure we keep it aligned, right? Keep it aligned. Now I'm going to group them together, select them all, select group, position them in the middle and in the center. Now I'm going to go to my uploads because I uploaded a metallic sheet, and I'm going to place the metallic sheet within the letters. So now I have king spelled out in gold. Now see if I wanted to, let's see if I can, there we go. If I wanted to copy this and maybe set shadowing on it, I can have king like that as well. If I take this background and I want to filter it to make it black, let's see, let's go to adjust, it's a tint. Oh, so it's just, oh, it just did the G. Okay, so N, the I, and the K. Now it's black. Make sure this is position, middle, center. I want to make this a little bigger, and now I want to do position, middle, center. And then I could use my arrow keys to shift it over, either up and over, down and over, or even make it larger, and then do position, middle, center, and then use my arrow keys to shift it to where I like it. Okay, now I could take all of this, make it smaller, and I can drag it up here and place it on my mask. And then if I wanted to do a person's name, I could do the same thing again, go over to Elements, find the person's name, make them smaller. I, A, N, and this is Brian. This is actually my husband's name. So I'm using his name as an example. And I can make that smaller to get it to be the same size, or whatever size I want it to be. Okay, make sure they are lining up and that they are the same size, because that's the look I'm going for, but you don't have to go for that look. And making sure they are aligned. Okay. Now I want to do something a little fancy with the eye, or say if I just wanted to, let's see. Put a little over the eye. I could make the eye smaller. Kind of put that in there and rotate it some type of way. So now I have that all set up. And now all I have to do is go over to my uploads where I uploaded the gold sheet and just slide the gold sheet within the frame. So now I can reduce that down if I want to, drag it up. Let's undo. Reduce that down, drag it up, and then maybe have it sublimate where it looks like it's in the hair, and I'm going to get rid of the heart. I don't like the heart. Get one more time, delete, and then just increase the size of the eye. So now if you're using regular sublimation paper, now you have something that looks like gold. And you can leave it like this, or you could go ahead and set the background of your image to black to maybe do a black background sublimated, or you may have some other type of design that you want to use. And then you download it. Make sure you leave it at 1 and download it as a PNG file. And you have yourself a gold look metallic background set up to sublimate onto the mask that you purchased from me. So thank you guys so very much for watching. And I will have more designs and more videos and more things to sublimate. Thanks again. Bye-bye.